Hello, this is Mary from Home Sweet Home Creations, and I am going to show you a really quick Swedish meatballs that I'm making tonight. I've shown you some other types of meatballs like the sweet and sour meatballs and meatloaf, and so this one is going to be the meatballs in the Italian seasoning with egg noodle and a brown gravy with a little bit of sour cream. You can use sour cream or some type of Alfredo or anything to make it more creamy. And then you pour that over your meatballs. And this, I'll show you what I put in my meatballs this time. I have the Progresso breadcrumbs. I poured about a cup of that into, I have about a pound of hamburger, a little over a pound probably. And I put a cup of the Progresso breadcrumbs, about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and the same for the lemon pepper Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning, and oregano. I put about a quarter of a teaspoon of that. Also the pepper. And then the beef base is for the gravy that I'm going to be making. And I use my handy dandy little baller to make the meatballs, get them all the same size. And they're all ready to go in the pan. If I can get you over here without, oops, you're seeing my hand again. So they're in the pan. The water's boiling for the gravy that I'm going to be making, and the egg noodles are over there. So as I progress here, I'll come back and show you the end result. But this is pretty quick and easy dinner to make. I did do the meatballs in a bowl and mix them with my hand this time because it's quicker right now. Instead of using my mixing bowl. And so I will be right back to show you the rest. Okay, we're back, and there is the Swedish meatball in the bowl with the noodles underneath, the egg noodle. A little chives on top, and I'm going to cook this broccoli over here. And if you can hear it, I'm playing some music like I told you I like to do when I'm cooking sometimes and no one's around. So this is Jason Mraz, which he's new to me, but I like him. He's kind of jazzy, but kind of upbeat. And this was a really quick dinner because I'm just cooking for myself tonight. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing how easy this was for you. And I put 3 eggs in the meatballs also to make them soft, really soft, because I like that Swedish meatballs that way when they're in the sauce with the noodles. So, all right, well, I will post the recipe on my Facebook, and you have a beautiful, wonderful summer evening.